Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm with Noah again. Noah right here. And yeah. And I'm also with his brother and sister. I don't know which one's his brother and I don't know which one's his sister, but I'm thinking brother and sister. And yeah. So and so I think I'm gonna keep doing doing this. The giant cow farm. And yeah. I need to get up. Move. I don't know how good these people are, but probably not that good. Move. So I think I'm gonna keep expanding here. No, not expanding, just adding spawners. Oh my gosh. There's so many spawners. What will we do? And I don't know what we're gonna do today. I want to expand cow. Cat ID or cow? Cack. I think we're gonna expand on the cactus farm. Nice. I did not want to expand on this. I'm not expanding on this. I mean, so big. It's so big. I need to be up. Interesting. Why? How we expand? How we expand? Wait, hold on. We can go here. Huh. What's me? Can I use gem? Can I use your gem, Noah? Please. Yay! Okay, well, I'm just gonna go get some money from his generator that I have not been using for a while. It's probably full. And I was literally just now like, wait, he has a generator. Can I use it? I don't know why. I'm telling you again, okay. I'm telling you again, Noah actually has his brother and sister on. Where does that go though? Why? That's what. real quick. Where does this go? Wait, does that go to his hiding chest? Where does that go? Huh? Is it down there? Interesting. Very interesting. Don't know how that works, but it does. Get up, get up. Up, sorry. Oh. That makes a lot of no sense. That makes a lot of no sense. So I got one deep. Got one diamond. This is interesting. I don't know he did this, but he did. It's out of sound like master. You take chest and grab some hopper. Take chest and grab some hopper. Oh! Very interesting. Very interesting. So you just break the chest and let it run. Very, very interesting. I get Golden or weight. Did I get Golden or weight? I don't know. I don't know if I should just get the cold gem or if I should wait to get a bed again. I'll have 50k if I wait to get okay, that take okay, that take a while. How much is a emerald? One now. You have auto sell chest. And big money makers. Yes, that's big money makers. Why it's and the minion costs money. Since I know. So good. I'm not. Yeah, I could get a gem, but I don't want to get a gem. No springs. Make love. $400. Good point. It's just doing a good point. I'll just work on the. Yep. Still a whole double chest. Still a lot. Still a lot. But what? Want some? Oh well. Sea lanterns. What's wrong with it? It's just so annoying. Sure. I never know how to spell sure. Sure. Okay, takes them and also for shop. Okay. There we go. Putting them in the shop. Guys, I'm going to need to end the video. I have not been looking how long the video was. Say bye. Say bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.